Today we are going to briefly discuss how to use TDPortal to generate and view a top-down report. First, you will log into TDPortal. To do so, type in the URL https://portal.nrtdp.northwestern.edu. You will be prompted for your username and password. Once they are entered, click Login. Now that you are logged into TDPortal, let's get oriented to the TDPortal page. There are 6 subheadings that link to different pages. The History panel is on the right. When data is uploaded or an analysis is performed, each output generates a dataset. These datasets are stored by TDPortal in the History panel. All of the available tools are located in the blue Tools panel on the left. The NRTDP design tools are located in the NRTDP Tools menu in the Tools panel. Now that you're oriented to the page, let's discuss preparing raw files for the TDPortal search. First, you are going to create a new history. To do so, go to the History column and click on the gear in the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Create New. You can rename the new history by clicking on Unnamed History. Next, you will go to the Tools panel and click on NRTDP Tools. A menu containing all the available NRTDP tools will appear. Click on Create Linked Library to create a linked library. You will select your dataset from the drop-down menu and then click Execute. For the purpose of this video, I have already created my linked library. To view your linked library, click on the Shared Data subheading at the top of the page. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Data Libraries. The Data Libraries screen displays available data libraries. Click on the desired dataset library. The next screen you will see displays the dataset raw files. You will select the files to import to history by checking their checkboxes. At the bottom of the page, there is a For Selected Datasets drop-down menu. Set the drop-down to Import to Current History and click Go. Once the files are successfully imported, this confirmation will be displayed at the top of the page. Next, click the TDPortal icon at the top of the page to return to the home page. You will see that the history has been populated with a green box for each imported raw file. You will now be creating a dataset list in the History panel. To do this, navigate to the History panel. Click on the checkbox. Select the raw files that will be searched. Click for All Selected. Select Build Dataset List. A new dataset list will appear in the History panel. In this next step, we are going to be discussing running searches on TDPortal. First, navigate to Shared Data at the top of the page. Click on Published Workflows in the drop-down menu. You are going to import the latest standard search workflow. In this tutorial, we will use Publish Standard Search Workflow 2.0 by clicking on the down arrow of the Standard Search Workflow version tab. When the workflow is successfully imported, this screen will appear in green. Next, click the Workflow subheading. Click Run in the Standard Search Workflow version 2.0 dropdown. You will run a basic direct search unless otherwise instructed by the NRTDP Bioinformatics team. You are going to have to input search parameters. Select Dataset List, Input Parameters File, select Organism to be searched. If performing quant, select True to create a SAS input sheet. Select Data File Resolution, select Fragmentation Type, select Code Set Standard 2.0 unless otherwise specified, and click on Run Workflow. You can monitor the progress of TDPortal searches. An email will be sent once the workflow is started containing history and job ID information, as well as a link to check progress outside of TDPortal. To further monitor search progress, you can click on the Check Progress button under the top-down report file in the History panel. Percentages will be displayed in the search progress. The page refreshes every 30 seconds. History panel items will turn green when the search fully completes. Once your search has completed, congratulations! You can now generate and view the top-down report. To do so, download your search results by clicking the floppy disk Download button under the top-down report subsection in the History panel. Next, and finally, you can open your results in TD Viewer.